Today's topic is your maths topic is linear equations in one variable. This is very important and very interesting chapter. इस चैप्टर में आपको बहुत you find it very interesting because you have to calculate the value of x. आप एक unknown चीज, एक आपको unknown equation given है, just एक relationship given है, उससे you calculate the value of x. So you feel very this kind of thing very interesting. See, first of all, what you need to learn is ax plus b is equal to 0. This is a general form of linear equation जिसमें आपका वेरिएबल जो है that is x. ओके, वेरिएबल क्या है बेटा इसमें? x. मतलब हमें x की वैल्यू नहीं गिवन है, आपका जो a और b है they are the constant terms and we know that. ओके, अब you must be familiar with the rules and regulations because you have already done the chapter in class 7 as well as in class 6 also. So just have to keep the thing in mind. There are two sides. Okay, यहाँ पे what happens, you have got two sides over there, और उन two sides में आपका कैसे होता है कि equal to के एक left hand side है और एक right hand side है, both the sides are equal. Okay, so whenever you have to move any number to the opposite side, the sign will change. For example, if you are taking plus sign towards the right hand side, the sign will become negative. If you are taking a negative number to over there, it will become positive. If the number is being divided up and it is being taken to the other side, it will get multiplied. If the number is being multiplied and it is taken to the other side, then it will be divided. So just have to keep that thing in mind, and it is very simple. It is, we will revise the rules side by side while doing the sums. One thing more, what do you mean by root or solution of linear equation in one variable? अब what is this? अब इसमें क्या होता है कि अब obviously when you calculate the equation, you come with a value of x. Okay, आपके पास x की वैल्यू आ जाती है, right? अब वो जो x की वैल्यू है, अगर आप उसको दोबारा से इक्वेशन में पुट करते हैं तो आपकी लेफ्ट हैंड साइड और राइट हैंड साइड इक्वेट हो जाती है. यस, so that is called as the solution of that particular equation. Is that clear? So आपके जो भी वेरिएबल की वैल्यू आएगी, that जब आप उसको सब्स्टिट्यूट कर रहे हो तो आपके दोनों साइड जो हैं वो इक्वल आनी चाहिए. अगर इक्वल आती हैं so that means कि वो जो सोल्यूशन था वो बिल्कुल करेक्ट है, वो उस इक्वेशन का रूट है, वो उस इक्वेशन का सोल्यूशन है. सो ये डिफरेंट टर्म्स हैं जिससे हम उसको जानते हैं. ओके, नाउ स्ट्रेट अवे वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट अप द क्वेश्चंस. सो देखो बेटा, इसमें यू हैव गॉट टू मेथड्स. वन मेथड में हम क्या करते हैं, द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड मेथड इज type 1 and the right hand side method is type 2. In the first question I will be describing both the methods, but after that I have chosen as second type of method as my solution mode, but you can do it with any of the method. Okay, now see what the method is saying. First of all, our equation is 2x minus 3 is equal to 7. Okay Rashi, now what is happening, देखो बेटा, अगर यहाँ पे अगर हम दोनों साइड पे सेम नंबर को ऐड करते हैं तो it doesn't make any kind of impact on the equation. Now see what I have done. I have done 2x minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 7 plus 3. Yes, मैंने दोनों साइड पे I have added up plus 3. Are you able to see this? Yes, we have added plus 3 to both the sides. Yes Manan? So because of this, our this 3 it got cancelled. Yes, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and after that I got 2x is equal to 10. Now what I'm going to do, I will be dividing both the sides of equation by 2. See, I am dividing both the equations, both the sides by 2. So in the end I am getting x is equal to 5. Yes Rashi, is it clear beta?
Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
Okay, next is beta, एक second. Okay, in next thing what I am going to do, देखो हमारी equation थी 2x minus 3 is equal to 7. Now I have taken this minus 3 to the opposite side. मतलब I am taking it from left hand side to right hand side. Rashi, it is -3. When it will cross the equal to, its sign will become,
Ma'am, plus.
yes, it will become plus. So it becomes 2x is equal to 7 plus 3, which comes out to be 10. Now
10.
2x is equal to 10. Rashi, if 2 is being multiplied by x and it is transported to the other side, what will be the change in 2?
Ma'am, 2 will be divided by 10 and the answer will be 5.
Yes, it will
Uh,
become x is equal to 10 by 2, which ultimately gives us x is equal to 5. So in both the methods, you are getting the same answer. So whatever method you want to follow, or if it is mentioned in the question, so you have to think of that. Okay, now we will proceed on to our next question. Okay, beta, next part. Yes, now you have to solve it. Okay, beta. Yes. Are you ready? Yes. 7 by
yes.
minus 9 is equal to 16. Yes, Rashi. Minus 9 will go to right hand side. What will be the change?
Ma'am, plus.
Yes, it will
Plus.
be added up. So 7y becomes equal to 16 plus 9. So it
9.
gives us 7y
Ma'am,
is equal to,
25.
yes, so y comes out to be 25 upon 7. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now the next. Manan, this you have to do. 15 by 4 minus 7x is equal to 9. Yes, do this. Now in this question, solve the following equations. 2x minus 3 is equal to x plus 2. Now I will teach you how to solve this question and then verify your answer. हम उस आंसर को verify भी कर लेंगे. We will not wait for the teacher to check our answer. We already know कि yes, our answer is correct because we have verified the things. So now see. Now first of all, I'll need to calculate the value of x. Now make it a small trick to be used that keep all the variables on one side. Okay, I find it more comfortable keeping the variables in the left hand side. Okay, you can keep it on right hand side. I prefer to keep them on the left hand side and all the non-variable terms on the right hand side. So जो भी x, y, z वाली terms होती हैं, I get them on the left hand side, and जो भी बिना x वाली terms हैं, उनको I'll collect it on the right hand side, so that I can get the value. And after that, when you have to verify, आपने कभी भी आपने टर्म्स को इधर से उधर नहीं लेके जाना when you are doing verification, because according to the definition of a solution, आपको दोनों साइड्स को इक्वेट प्रूव करना है. ओके आपने लेफ्ट हैंड साइड को राइट हैंड साइड के इक्वल प्रूव करना है, ना कि आपने उसको इधर से उधर वैल्यू निकालनी है. ओके जस्ट सी सी 2x माइनस एक्स इज इक्वल टू 2 प्लस 3. यहाँ पे x माइनस में क्यों हुआ? बिकॉज इनिशियली ये क्या था? प्लस में था. So I get the value of x to be equal to 5. Now as I know कि x 5 है, तो ये x की वैल्यू यहाँ पे भी पुट होगी और ये वाली वैल्यू यहाँ पे भी पुट होगी. Okay, so when I use that x is equal to 5, so I got 2 into 5 minus 3 is equal to 5 plus 2. So 2 5s is 10. 10 minus 3 is equal to 7, and 7 comes out to be equal to 7. So that means my right hand side is equal to left hand side. That means the solution is verified. I hope that is clear with you. Now move on to the next.
ma'am.
Yes. Now the next question. Okay. 5x plus 7 by 2 is equal to 3x minus 14. Rashi, you tell me the first step. What I will do? Yes, Manan, you tell me.
मैम हम 3/2x को हम दूसरी साइड ले जाएंगे तो 5x minus 3/2x is equal to minus 14 minus 7/2.
Yes. Now solve this question. Give it a try. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now beta.
Ma'am 50 plus 7/2 is equal to 3/2x minus 14. मैम फिर उस साइड में मैम माइनस
Yes.
43/2 is equal to okay.
Yes, बिल्कुल ठीक है. Now when we are solving this x value, first of all, as Mananto already has done, we will have a overlook of calculating x. We will take LCM on the left hand side as well as on the right hand side. Okay, so after taking the LCM, I got 10x minus 3x upon 2 is equal to minus 28 minus 7 by 2. Is that clear, Rashi? Yes. Now this 2, because it is present on both sides as denominator, so it can be struck off. Okay, so I am getting 7x is equal to minus 35, which gives me the value of x as equal to, क्या आ गई बेटा x की value? minus 5. Yes, clear बेटा?
Yes.
x की वैल्यू जो है हमारे पास क्या आ गई? -5. Now I will put this value of x in the given equation. ठीक है बेटा, तो जब हम ये वैल्यू इसमें पुट करेंगे, so what we will be getting? We will be getting our verified equation. So which is 5 multiplied by minus x, ठीक है बेटा, plus 7 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2 into minus 5 minus 14. ओके बेटा, जब आप प्लस माइनस को मल्टीप्लाई करते हो आंसर हमेशा माइनस में आता है, तो इट इज -25 प्लस 7 by 2 is equal to -15 by 2 minus 14. Yes, correct? So when you are taking, again you have to take the LCM. LCM will become -50 plus 7 by 2 is equal to -15 minus 28 by 2. So it gives me the same answer on the both sides, which is -43 by 2 is equal to -43 by 2. So this proves that my answer is verified. Yes, clear? So the x is equal to -5 is the solution of the given equation. Rashi, I hope it's clear with you.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Now, again, the next question is, now you have to solve the following equation and you have to check the answer. Okay, beta. Now the equation is, okay, equation is beta 5 is minus 3 bracket 5x plus 2 is equal to 4 bracket 7 minus 3x plus 1. Now see, when you are you're just outside the bracket, so this number has to be multiplied with this as well as with this. Okay, similarly this 4 will get multiplied with 7 as well as with minus 3x also. Okay, fine. So just ये आपको ध्यान में रखना है. दूसरी चीज क्या आप ध्यान में रखोगे? The minus sign. Okay, when a minus sign is being multiplied with a plus sign, राशि क्या आएगा बेटा जब हम माइनस साइन को प्लस साइन के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं? माइनस. अगर in case any of you faces a problem in the integer part, so you can see my integers video of class 7th. ओके, तो उसमें आप मैथ्स फॉर्मूलाज में जब आप जाएंगे तो वहां पे इंटीजर्स का काफी अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन किया गया है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे वो कॉन्सेप्ट चाहिए है आपको. क्लियर बेटा? चलिए, नाउ वी विल मूव अहेड. So it becomes 5 minus 15x minus 6 is equal to 28 minus 12x plus 1. अब what I have done, पहले आप क्या करेंगे, यहीं पे जो चीजें ऐड या प्लस हो सकती हैं हमने उनको यहीं पे सॉल्व कर दिया. जैसे 5 minus 6 मतलब आपको -1 मिल जाएगा. ओके, -1 minus 15x is equal to 29 minus 12x. हमने 28 plus 1 कर दिया. ओके बेटा, नाउ द नेक्स्ट स्टेप, what I told you कि हम x जो वेरिएबल टर्म्स हैं उनको हम लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ले आएंगे. ओके, so this is what I have done. I have done minus 15x plus 12x is equal to 29 plus 1. Okay beta, clear? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this will give me minus 3x is equal to 30. So that means what will be my x? X will come out to be equal to minus 10. Yes, it's coming out to be equal to minus 10. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now we will do the verification part. Okay beta, chaliye. Now as we know x is equal to minus 10, so we will put this value in the known equation and now we will be getting the equation which we need to solve and prove that both the sides are equal. Now see, 5 minus 3 bracket 5 into minus 10 plus 2 is equal to 4 into 7 minus 3 into minus 10 plus 1. Okay, so it becomes जब आप इसको सॉल्व करोगे तो ये आपको मिल जाएगा। कैसे? 5 minus 3 into minus 48 plus 4 into 37 plus 1. So it comes out to be 5 plus 144 is equal to 148 plus 1. So मेरे पास दोनों साइड पे I am getting the same number. I am getting 149 is equal to 149. Yes. So that this means left hand side is coming out to be equal to right hand side. So this proves that my x is equal to minus 10 is the solution of given इक्वेशन। ठीक है बेटा, क्लियर है बिल्कुल? चलो अब मुझे इसका आप नेक्स्ट पार्ट इसका ध्यान से देखो, क्योंकि नेक्स्ट पार्ट में आपको अलग तरह का क्वेश्चन आ रहा है आपके सामने। देखो बेटा, यस, नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज 6x plus 1 by 3 plus 1 is equal to x minus 3 by 6। अब देखो आप इसमें जो हमारा वेरिएबल टर्म है दैट इज इन अ वेरी कॉम्प्लेक्स फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म। तो सबसे पहले हमने क्या करना है, इस लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे वी विल टेक द एलसीएम। हम इसमें एलसीएम लेके, क्योंकि देखो सबसे पहले हम क्या करते हैं, ये हमारी जान पहचान की लीनियर इक्वेशन नहीं है, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल ब्रिंग दिस इक्वेशन डाउन टू आवर नोन टू फॉर्म, जो हमारी जर्नल फॉर्म थी। हम इस फॉर्म को नहीं जानते, इसमें वैल्यू को कैलकुलेट करना इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट। तो व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल bring this equation to a very known to form। हम जिससे हम we are very much known to, ये हमारे लिए stranger है अभी, ठीक है। तो अब हम इसको थोड़ा सा अपना known to बनाते हैं। कैसे? हमने LCM लिया, so what I am getting finally 6x plus 1 plus 3 upon 3 is equal to x minus 3 by 6। okay बेटा, so now फिर obviously I'll solve this। तो ये क्या बन गया, 6x plus 4 is equal to 3 is equal to x minus 3 by 6। Now what I have to do, I have to apply the crisscross। This 6 will go over here and this 3 will go over here। Going over here means that they are being multiplied, okay, they will be multiplied by the respective side। जैसे 6 will has moved on to the left hand side, so it will be multiplied with 6x plus 4 and 3 will be multiplied with x minus 3। Now again what you have to remember, this 6 will be multiplied with 6x also and with 4 also, okay। Similarly this 3 will get multiplied with x as well as with minus 3। So Rashi, now calculate this thing and I'm waiting for you. Resume recording. Yes, now as you have told me the correct answer, next beta, what the step will be, again I'll bring the x variable term to the left hand side and the non-variable terms to the right hand side। So I'll be getting 3x minus 3 is equal to minus 9 minus 24। So that gives me the value of x to be minus 1। Now I will put this value of minus 1 or in place of x in the given equation and then I will solve। okay beta, so अब ये जो equation है x minus 1 I will put over here, so I'll be getting my solution। okay beta, so you need to solve the equations in the given sides only। so minus 6 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 minus 4 by 3। yes, then so it becomes minus 5 by 3 plus 1 is equal to minus 4 by 6। अब इसको हम reduce कर देंगे to minus 2 by 3। तो यहाँ पे जब आपने LCM लेके solve किया तो you will be getting the same answer on the left hand side as well as on the right hand side। so our answer is verified। yes, very good। now we will move on to the other question। now you have to solve the following equations and check the solutions। okay, now our first equation is x plus 1 divided by 2x plus 3 is equal to 3 by 8। so what we will do, this 8 will move to here and this whole of the term will go over here। this is called crisscross method। okay, so now we will find out the values। okay, so 8 will be getting multiplied with x plus 1 and 3 will be multiplied with 2x plus 3। so in the end I will be getting 8x plus 8 is equal to 6x plus 9। so again I will bring the x terms to the left hand side, so it becomes 8x minus 6x is equal to 9 minus 8। so 2x is equal to 1, so that means x is equal to 1 by 2। so now this x is equal to 1 by 2 will be put in the equation to verify। okay beta, so when we are verifying you just have to be very conscious about your silly mistakes। for example, this 1 by 2 is acting as a fraction. So first of all, solve this thing. So जब आप इसको solve करोगे, you will be getting 1 plus 2 by 2. Keep it over here only. And when you are solving the denominator, you will be getting 4. Now, what is going to happen? This 2 will come down over here and it will be multiplied. Yes, beta, ये उससे multiply होगा. So keep that thing in mind and you will be getting the same numbers on both the sides, which is 3 by 8. So your answer is verified. Very good. Next. Now the next equation is, okay. So get ready. Next equation is 3 by x plus 8 is equal to 4 by 6 minus x. This whole of the term will go over here and this whole of the term will go over here by using the crisscross method. Yes, now solve and verify. Okay, so when we are crisscrossing the thing, so what we will be getting, 3 into 6 minus x is equal to 4 into x plus 8. Okay, when you further solve this, you will be getting 18 minus 3x is equal to 4x plus 32. Okay, beta. Then again further when we are solving, because we have to bring the variable terms to one side and the non-variable terms to the other side. So I'm getting minus 7x is equal to 14, which gives me x is equal to minus 2. Now I will verify the statement. So 3 divided by minus 2 plus 8 should be equal to 4 by 6 minus bracket minus 2. When you have a minus sign outside the bracket, obviously inside signs they get changed. So it becomes 3 by 6 and 4 by 8. Both of the terms are being reduced to 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2, which is giving me straight away left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence verifying my answer. Okay. Now the next.
Yes,
if p is equal to x plus 1 and 4p minus 3 by 2 minus 3x plus 2 by 5 is equal to 3 by 2. Find x. Okay, I want that you should try this. Okay, now as a second, I will give you the hint. This is p. Okay, beta, this is p. And you will put this value of p over here. So all the variables will be the same. They will be x. Now find out x. Yes, give it a try, then we will discuss. Okay. So now when we have used this value of p, which is given to be x plus 1 in the given equation, so what we got 4 into x plus 1 minus 3, okay, divided by 2 minus 3x plus 2 by 5 is equal to 3 by 2. Yes. Now I am going to take, first of all, I'll solve this bracket at the initial stage. So I'm getting 4x plus 4 minus 3 is equal, divided by 2, okay, minus 3x by 2 plus, 3x plus 2 by 5 is equal to 3 by 2. Okay, so now we need to calculate the LCM. So LCM of 2 and 5 comes out to be 10. So obviously this whole term, this term will be multiplied with 5 and this term will be multiplied with 2. Okay, so now what you have to keep thing in the mind, जो आपने चीज दिमाग में रखनी है वो ये है, ये वाली चीज, ये आपके लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है. ओके, सो ये चीज अगर आप भूल जाते हैं तो फिर आपके लिए दिक्कत हो जाएगी. ओके बेटा, सो आफ्टर सॉल्विंग दिस थिंग, तो जब आप इसको सॉल्व कर लोगे, सो व्हाट यू विल गेट हम यहाँ पे क्रिस क्रॉस मेथड भी यूज करेंगे. सो इट इज 2 into 14x plus 1 is equal to 30. So in the end I am getting x is equal to 1. तो मुझे यहाँ पे x की वैल्यू जो है वो 1 मिल रही है. ठीक है बेटा, सो माय x is coming out to be 1. So यहाँ पे हमें पूछा ही x की वैल्यू गई है, so we have taken out the value of x. Yes, it was interesting question. Now
मैंने वेरिफिकेशन भी कर ली.
Very good.
Ma'am, 30 is equal to 30.
Yes, I saw your answer. You have to solve the equation x plus 1. ये भी एक थोड़ा सा different तरह का question है. Just look up very carefully. X plus 1 divided by x minus 1 is equal to 2x plus 3 divided by 2x minus 5. So again, I'll do the crisscross thing. So this whole of the term will go to the other side and it will get multiplied. Okay, beta? Yes. So x plus 1 into 2x minus 5 is equal to 2x plus 3 into x minus 1. So x is being multiplied with 2x minus 5 plus 1 is being multiplied by 2x minus 5. Similarly, 2x into x minus 1 and 3 into x minus 1 along with the plus sign. Okay, now in the next step is important because you're getting 2x square minus 5x plus 2x minus 5 is equal to 2x square minus 2x plus 3x minus 3. So अब आप ये देखो दोनों तरफ आपके पास 2x square है and that too with the same sign. जब भी ऐसा होता है तो आप उसको डायरेक्टली स्ट्रक ऑफ कर सकते हो. अगर ये ऑपोजिट साइन होते तब ये स्ट्रक ऑफ नहीं होते. क्यों? क्योंकि अब ये x square अगर उधर जाएगा तो माइनस हो जाएगा. यस, सो इस तरह से what you have got, yes, you have got minus 3x minus x is equal to minus 3 plus 5. Yes, so I am getting the value of x as minus 1 by 2. Yes, okay.
Yes, ma'am. X equal to minus 1 upon 2.
Yes, and
2
you have
is
done
equal
the
to 2.
verification. Yes, so verification is your homework. You need to do it at your home. Yes, clear. Now, I think you are clear with the kind of questions you will be getting. So, today we are going to do some kind of worksheet regarding this linear equation in the form of MCQs. As we have time, so we can start. Okay. Yes. Okay. Chalo. Now we will do some MCQs regarding this linear equation. The very first numerical is the solution of, okay beta, 2x minus 3 is equal to 7. क्या होगा बेटा?
5.
Yes, it will be 5 or minus 5.
5.
Yes beta. It will be.
मैम x की वैल्यू 2 आएगी.
कैसे बेटा?
x की वैल्यू 2 आएगी.
How? Tell me.
मैम ओह मैम मैंने 3 प्लस कर दिया माइनस की जगह.
Okay, yes, it happens because we are not that कई बारी हम भूल जाते हैं, so थोड़ा सा वो ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा आपको बेटा. Okay, so यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, x की वैल्यू जो है वो क्या आ रही है बेटा? 5. and कैसे आई बेटा? ये देखो 2x जो है वहाँ पे जो 3 है it will go to that side and it will get added up. ठीक है, तो इस तरह से आपकी x की वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगी बेटा? 5 because 10 divided by 2 is 5. अब इस केस में बताओ which one is not a linear equation?
D.
Yes बेटा.
D option 5x plus 2.
Sorry, एक बार दोबारा से बोलो.
D option.
5x plus
Yes,
2 D option.
because इसमें कोई भी चीज इक्वल की फॉर्म में नहीं है. An equation means you have to be something, कुछ आपके पास दो साइड्स होनी चाहिए which are being separated by an equal to sign. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, you have to solve 2y plus 9 is equal to 4. Yes. तो हमारा क्या solution आएगा? We will do it on this side. So I am getting 2y.
None of these.
Yes, it is coming out to be minus 5. So that means minus 5 by 2. And we don't have option in this. Now we will solve this one. Yes, fourth question. Yes, fourth question में कैसे होगा बेटा? Yes bete, this 5 by 2 will go to this side.
Ma'am, please wait.
Okay.
मैम
Yes.
मैम अगर हम जो है 5/2 को इधर ना भेज के इसका
Ma'am, minus 12.
हाँ आप कर सकते हो. Yes, it will be minus 12. Yes Rashi, you can do and after that you can solve. आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हो. So the answer will be minus 12. Yes. Next, Manan, 15 by 4 minus 7x is equal to 9. We will take over here. I think this question we have done.
Yes, ma'am. मैम -3/4.
Yes, it is -3/4.
मैंने दिया था
हाँ जी बेटा,
आंसर।
आई नो आपके चैट्स आ रहे हैं मेरे को. चलो नेक्स्ट बताओ मनन, नेक्स्ट बेटा.
मैम 9.
Yes, it
9.
is 9. It will be +9. So D option. Yes, very
7
good.
का 3 है.
हाँ जी, 7 का क्या होगा?
7.
7 का क्या ऑप्शन है? A, B, C या D?
A.
Yes. मनन, मनन भी फटाफट आंसर दे रहे हैं मुझे. It is very good. Yes, so it is A part. A part is 7. Very good. So now the next 8th question बताएंगे. You have to solve 6 is equal to Z plus 2. Yes, beta.
मैम 4.
4. Yes, very good, Manan. Manan, I can hear you. You can just tell me the answer. Rashi, now solve the next question. 6x is equal to 12. Here 6 is being multiplied. So when it will go to other side, yes, it will become 2. Yes. Now Manan, solve question number 10.
मैम B.
मैम 50.
Yes, it is 50. B. Very good. Both of you. 1 second. Now the next.
Divide and multiply 18 3
मैम B option.
Yes, it will be
Yes, madam.
B.
B.
Okay. Now the next. The present age of Sahil's mother is 3 times the present age of Sahil. So we will take Sahil's age to be X. तो उसकी मदर की एज क्या हो गई बेटा? 3x.
3x.
दोनों में 5 years के बाद, मतलब we will add 5 और उनको हमने लास्ट में ऐड भी करना है +5. तो it gives us 66. Yes. तो 4x is equal to 56. मैंने इसमें से 10 ऑलरेडी माइनस कर दिया. ठीक है बेटा. तो x comes out to be
9.
14. Yes. तो आपका जो x है वो कितना आ रहा है? 14 years of age. Very good. So we have finished our assignment.